In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zapier with Notion to automate tasks between Notion and other apps. As an example, we'll connect Outlook to a Notion database. Let's get started. Open Zapier and click Create, then choose Zap to create a new automation. Select Microsoft Outlook as the trigger app and choose a trigger, such as New Email. Sign in to your Outlook account and authorize Zapier to access it. Next, choose Notion as the action app and sign in to your Notion workspace. Select the database where you want the information to be added. Map the Outlook fields such as the email subject, sender, receive date, or message content to the appropriate properties in your Notion database. Test the automation to make sure everything works correctly, then click Publish or turn on Zap to enable it. Your workflow will now run automatically, keeping your Notion database updated whenever the selected Outlook trigger occurs. That's how to use Zapier with Notion. Thanks for watching.